If you're looking for a delicious hearty soup on a cold winter's day, then you're not going to want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, it is a cold day today. I am in my little warm sweater, and full transparency, I have sweatpants on. I don't know if you can see that or not. My furry bedroom slippers, and I decided I'm going to make a sausage gnocchi soup today. So I am really excited about making it. So let's go ahead, go over all the ingredients, and we'll get started. Alrighty, so I have some baby spinach, some minced garlic, 1 onion chopped. I have a ½ cup of carrots chopped, crushed red pepper, salt, black pepper. I have 2 12-ounce bags of gnocchi. I have a pound of Italian pork sausage. Mine is a little bit spicy. I have some Parmesan cheese, chicken broth, oil, and heavy whipping cream. And that is all the ingredients we're going to be using for our soup. Alrighty, so we're going to start with our pot. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in here. Get this heated up before we put our meat in. And like I said, I just bought a pound of pork sausage. This is a little bit spicy, so I'm excited about that. So I'm just going to go ahead and dump this in. Break this up. I always like to season my meat when I cook it. I'm going to add a little bit of salt in there. Just a little. There we go. Alrighty friends, while I was getting my ingredients out, just kind of going over the recipe, I realized that I forgot to get out the Italian seasoning. So we're going to be adding a tablespoon of that Italian seasoning, but I'll mention it in the beginning of this video when I go over when I went over all the ingredients, and also I'll make sure it's in the recipe in the description box. I don't know how I missed that, but I did. Alrighty, starting to cook up nicely. Now this is getting a little greasy, so we will have to drain it, which is fine. It's coming along nicely. So I'm going to take this over to the sink real quick and just drain some of this grease off. And then we'll go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. Okay, so I drained all that excess grease off. Now I'm going to add in my onion, just 1 small onion, diced. And then my carrots. That was a ½ cup of carrots. We're going to cook this till they get a little bit soft. About 3 to 4 minutes. Alrighty, so we're going to add in 3 cloves of garlic. Y'all know I love my garlic. Tablespoon of Italian seasoning. If I said a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, that was wrong. It's a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I'm not sure what I said. I want to make sure I said the correct thing. A teaspoon, a ½ teaspoon of salt, and a ½ teaspoon, whoa, I almost spilled that, of pepper, and a ¼ teaspoon of pepper flakes. I'm going to give that a good stir. We're just going to let this cook for about a minute or 2. Alrighty, give that a good stir. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in 4 cups of chicken broth. give that a good stir. Okay, and now we're going to add in a cup of our heavy whipping cream. Alrighty, we're going to give that a good stir. Now, I'm going to go ahead and let this come to a boil, and then I'm going to let it simmer for about 30 minutes. I want to make sure my flavors mesh really well, and then after that we'll put our gnocchi, spinach, and cheese in, and then our soup will be ready. So let's turn that up a little bit. And then, like I said, once it comes to a slight boil, we'll go ahead and simmer. Alrighty, we have come to a boil. I'm going to turn this down. I'm just going to let it simmer on low. Just want to get all those flavors meshed a little bit. Get those carrots cooked a little bit. Okay. Alright, we'll be back. I'll set the timer for about 30 minutes and then we'll be back. Alrighty. We have been 30 minutes. Let's give it a good stir. Smells delicious. Now we're going to add in a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. You can add a little bit more if you'd like. Make sure it's stirred up really well. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 cups of spinach. Okay, let's get that stirred in well. It's looking good. And now we're going to go ahead and add in our gnocchi. Oh, still one in there. Let's give it a good stir. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm going to add a little bit more spinach. I like the spinach. Look at that. Yum. Does that look nice? So this just needs to cook down for about 5 minutes and let the flavors mesh really well. And then we'll come back and do a taste test. Alrighty, I think we are good. Let's go ahead and look at that. Ooh. Let's get some soup. Do our taste test. Alrighty, my friends, so here it is. As always, there'll be pictures at the end. It smells really good. Let me get a little bit of everything on my spoon. There we go. Let's try it. It's hot. It's nice and spicy. The broth is really good. I like it. Very Italian tasting. Love it. Absolutely delicious. Delicious, delicious. So friends, oh my goodness, I got soup on my lips. So friends, that'll do it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active in all those social media sites as well. So I'll see you next time. Bye.